Hello guys, this is my video 3 and this video is going to be about arrays. So an array is a data structure with a lot of elements inside, and all the elements must be of the same data type. It's kind of a list of elements of the same data type. So if I wanted to create a list of numbers, so numbers are integers. So I do int brackets the name of the array and then new int in brackets. And inside of these brackets I must put the size of the array. So I want one array of 10 elements. Okay. So if I want to populate this this array, I can use a for loop to go on each index of the array and put a number in it. So to access the element, this is how you do it. So the array starts from 0 and not 1 but 0. So if you want to access the first element, you must put 0 inside of those brackets. So these we're going to be accessing the first number of the array. A smart way to do it is the for loop. For loop, we use the index to go over all elements of the array. So while index is less than the length of the array, then keep going. Okay, so this index is going to increment until we reach 10, because if we have an array of 10 elements, we go from 0 to 9. So as soon as it hits 10, it's not gonna go further, because 10 is the length. So what we can do here, we can access the array, and we can I'm gonna create a new variable here and call it number. So this number we're gonna go from 1 to 10, while the index go from 0 to 9. Okay, so, and if we try to print this, so let's see if it works. So here you go. The number will go from 1 to 10, all elements of the array, with the index going from 0 to 9. You cannot forget that. That's really important. So that's how you access. We can do something like create another array. We can call it power. Also the same size. And then we're going to see all this square. We can call it square of those numbers. So if I come here and I go square and use the same index to go over this array of also of the size 10, so they're gonna match. If I had 11 here, I could not use the same for loop, because this for loop goes until 10. It's the length of the number array. Okay, so if I go 10 and I put here is square index equal number, this number right here, times itself. So number times number. And then we can print and see what happens. The square of number is, and then we can put it, then we can access and put square index. So we're populating this index, we're populating with a number times number, so that's going to be an integer, and it's going to be stored right here on the index element of square array, and then we're going to call it right after. and it should work. Okay, let's see. So here we have it. The number is 1, the square of number is 1. The number is 2, the square of number is 4. You know what? I'll just do a little edit here, just so we can read it easier. The number is 1, the square of 1 is 1, the number is 2, the square of 2 is 4, the number is 3, the square of 3 is 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, so it got all correct. So I hope you guys could understand how to create an array, how to access an array, how to manipulate the elements inside of an array, how to call an array, the element of the array to be used. All right, thank you guys.